Here is going to the slide, and your other finger is going to roll around the handle. Okay? That's how, when I give it to you, you're going to grab it just like that. Okay? This is going to be my designated safe direction. The first position we're going to do is going to be Studiasasanas. Your feet are going to be square off your shoulders. Slight bend, nothing exaggerated, so that you're comfortable. Okay? Gun is pointed in your safe direction. Your off hand is going to be put together like a web. And you're going to put it right up under this trigger guard and hold this other hand. You're going to fold your other hand back so that you have a seal around the frame. There should be no space on the frame. Notice, right up under the tang, hold that other hand, and I'm bringing this other hand close. Some people like to put their thumbs on the frame like this. I like to keep mine down. However you do it. Now we're going to demonstrate. See, I done moved into the other stance. Right? I went straight to the weaver, didn't I?
Yes, sir.